Hi guys, so today I tested out my new GoPro Hero 7, the Black series, and first of all I stuck it straight on the car and had a little play with that. As you can see there, all the telemetry of the G-forces, speed and heading and all that sort of stuff works really well. So hi guys, just come down to Ashburn Place, just had a little bite to eat and some drink in the Orangery restaurant cafe type thing, and now just having a little wander around the gardens. Quite a bit of wildlife around still dragonflies flying around, which is quite amazing. And this is one of the big lakes. It's kind of cool, loads of birds flying around. So yeah, just got a little wander around, take a few photos. Filming you on the GoPro Hero 7 Black at the moment. So 4K 60 frames a second. So it should be nice and smooth. So walk down the stairs. This is how good the stabilisation is. I'm sort of hopping down some quite big steps here. Look at the old watermill building. Big old watermill. It should be. Sort of a weir stroke waterfall. Let's have a look. There we go. Not too crazy, but not sure if it's supposed to be down. No, that is not safe. Oh, I'm not going out of that. Yeah, no chance. So after dunking the GoPro into the water there, just to make sure it was actually waterproof, I did a hyperlapse, which is basically a time lapse, but it's actually stabilised, so I can just walk normally like this, and it's absolutely brilliant. So it works really well. Loads of different settings, but I just literally just tested it really quickly. Absolutely brilliant. Really pleased with how that works. And back to some video, just a panning shot there, and then I carried on. Side by side, Hero 3 and the Hero 7 Black. Almost out of the battery on the Hero 7, so it's not going to last long. But you should be able to see the difference. Side by side, stabilisation versus not. And I'm just walking normally. There we go, guys. Should be able to see the difference. Right guys, so just walking back to the car now, and I'm on the southern lawn, so that's the lake from the other end. I've walked right around and through the woods and everything. It's just a lovely day. It's not cold. You can tell I'm in a t-shirt, but I never get cold anyway. And got a few cool shots. Nothing all that amazing, but you know, still out and about practicing. And, just a really lovely place. So guys, these are a few shots from the RX10 Mark IV as I wandered around. So obviously have a quick look at these. Just a quick summary on the GoPro really. Really glad I bought it. I was looking at the Sony RX100 Mark VI, which is kind of like the baby brother of the RX10 Mark IV, but still a camera that is kind of got everything the RX10 almost does. You know, so it's a kind of similar camera. I wanted something that I can use for vlogging daily, but also it allows me to do other things, like put it on a stick and it, you know, have it down by my feet while I was walking along at the beginning of the video, stick it on the side of the car, stuff like that. So it's allowing me to do a lot more things. With the stabilization on there, it's amazing. Don't need a gimbal. Obviously on some things you would, but it's just a brilliant little tool. The battery actually lasts longer than I thought. I've turned off all the communications when you don't really need to. That way the battery lasts a lot longer, and no issues whatsoever there. Obviously I dunked it into the lake there, just had a quick dunk in and had a look. I shall do some more with that sort of when I can. Got a friend who's into mountain biking still, and he's going to stick it on his bike, so we're going to do a couple of high-speed runs with that soon. So that should be interesting to see how smooth that is. And obviously the comparison side by side with the old Hero 3 that I have. Massive difference in the stabilization. Obviously the resolution difference is noticeable as well. The Hero 7 was recording on the left-hand side, was at 4K, 60 frames per second, compared to 1080p, which the Hero 3 was recording at. So obviously information and quality of image was different as well. Obviously back to the pictures, RX10 Mark IV, even in sort of dull rubbish light, was still producing some lovely shots there. And yeah, so hope there's kind of, if anybody's looking at buying one of the new Hero 7 bodies, I wouldn't personally, I would spend the extra and buy the black, because you can take the battery out, the other ones you can't. And obviously there's a few more functions here or there. Other than that, any questions please ask below, and please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell, and I'll speak to you soon.